Lucas, if you're watching right now, I want to dedicate this video to you, my friend. You made my day the other day with your note. I appreciate it so much. It was awesome. For the rest of you, I will share what Lucas said here in a minute. I think it'll resonate with you. I think a lot of you are like him in a lot of ways. It was awesome. But first, I want to bring you in on my current build. This is a console table that was requested by my wife. She picked out a spot in the house for it. Perfect spot. So we got on Pinterest, looked around, see what kind of style we want to try. Came up with this, 3 drawers on top, 3 on the bottom shelf, slatted bottom. I've never done 6 shelves all in one, 6 drawers all in one place before, so it was a little tricky trying to get everything parallel for the drawer slides. Made a couple mistakes here. I'll bring you in and show you this. Had to remove these rails because I misjudged the width, but hey, it's only woodworking, right? Like I say, it's only wood. You're the one with the power tools and the wood putty. Let that sink in. So along with this build for my wife, I am taking advantage and making a time-lapse video of it, and that is another request I have from you guys. I want your opinion on the time-lapse video. I'll ask you here in a few minutes about what I'm thinking about it. So I want your opinion on that. But let's get back to Lucas. So Lucas sent me a note through Facebook, my Ronnie's Workshop Facebook page. And he thanked me for the information on my channel, a couple of videos in particular. He built the rustic coat rack and the entryway bench. And so he built those, and he sent me photos of them. And it was a great, nice note, very encouraging. I tell you what, I try to encourage you guys. That was, oh man, that was so special. It really was, to hear back and that somebody actually took action. Something I provided actually helped. And man, I tell you what, being a smaller channel, there's some great woodworking channels, as you guys know. There's guys that do amazing things and provide great information. And along with trying to do that, I want to also take a different course and throw in the motivational videos every now and then to try to get you to take action, because you can watch forever all these videos, these terrific videos, get all this head knowledge, right? But if you're sitting on the couch or you're watching the YouTube all day and you're not taking action, nothing's going to get built. And there's something about getting something built it's just not the object that's built, right? It's what does it in here and what it does up here gives you more confidence. There's just something about creating something out of other things, and that's part of the focus I want to put on this channel too, is to get you motivated to do that. So I hope I do. Give me feedback. If you do build something, I just request you take the time to let me know and send pictures, because really that makes my day. So back to the time-lapse video now. The question I have is, what do you guys prefer when you watch time-lapse videos? The couple I have seem to be fairly popular, but I was wondering if you like the background music when you're watching the time-lapse, or do you just like the sound of the building itself, the drilling, the clinks and clanks that go on with a sped up video. I want to do that, what you prefer on this next video with this. So keep an eye out for that. Put your comments below and let me know what direction I should go with this. And I hope I've motivated you to be like Lucas, to take action. And that doesn't necessarily mean to build right now. Maybe you don't have the tools, maybe you don't have the space. But it does mean taking action means, clearing that space, finding that place to work, buying that tool you need, getting that wood, whatever, another step on your journey to actually building something, whether you're going to sell it or not. Keep it for your family or sell it for profit. Action. Take action. Leave your comments below on the time-lapse video. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.